What is a point-of-sale system? A point-of-sale, or POS, is a system of interconnected devices meant to help facilitate day-to-day transactions of retail businesses. Traditionally, a POS system was a cash register, but modern-day point-of-sale systems can be anything from an iPad at the front of a store to a fully functioning computer system with numerous attachments, such as a printer, cash register, barcode scanner, and other components. The POS system enables business owners to accept cash and card payments. The terminal or reader attached to the POS system communicates the transaction details to the financial institution required to complete the transaction. As point-of-sale systems continually modernize, they will in turn streamline the buying process, allowing for greater adoption of technology and additional payment methods. Check out our YouTube channel and be sure to subscribe for more helpful content about payments, credit cards, and how it all affects your business. I'm Annabelle from the Helcim team. Thanks for watching.